मोती जो होते हैं पेड़ के ऊपर, उनका अंडा लेके आओ, हम वहीं पे मारेंगे. He used to tell me, go and stand. I used to go and stand on the road and I used to sell them fish. And I used to take the money and go back, get the grocery for that night, next day. That's how we used to manage. Mom went few days back, 90 years age. Comes from a very highly rich family. What he comes from, we can only dream, probably we can never have it. But she would be waiting. My sons have gone to the river. They will get the fish. I used to say, Mom, keep this fish. Probably some of you do not know this thing. And she will be cleaning the fish. I will go and sell. And then this is the brother who used to teach me how to do our hard work with ourselves, not stretching our hand on others, before others. We have paid our school fees, we have run the family, we have fed ourselves. At the same time there was need, we have even given. This is the brother who has taught. When my Didi Minati Swain was in AIMS in Delhi, ran from here to AIMS and said, Asif, we must do something because this Didi needs to live more. Can you see the hunger that he has within himself? He is not thinking about himself, he said, my Didi needs to live more. Every time when we used to think about the ministry, I have been motivated by him, whether after the persecution or where. He said, Asif, you know all these things, where it started, Vineyard and all that? One morning I was sitting with some donors, I won't tell their name. I was in Vizag. I said, you had gone there, what did happen? He said, Asif, I am in such a pain, I am trying to absorb myself, give me some time. He said, I had gone to give some help to 3 old ladies, 65 years, 75 years and another probably 80 years old lady, hiding in the mission palm tree. And he is searching them, they were here, where are they? Suddenly he spotted hands waving like this snake. He ran there and then he poured some food for them, clothes for them, some money there. Want to run away because people are waiting, and if they spot him, straightway guns out. And then these 3 ladies, they held his leg. And you know what happened, Asif? He is telling me. Donors are sitting with me, I am talking to them. Then he said, they started licking my feet, muddy feet. They started, we cannot give you tears, we cannot give you money, we cannot give you anything, you have risked your life and come, allow us to do this, clean your feet. And then he said, can you believe, Asif, I saw my own mother licking my feet? How will you feel if that happens to you? Then that began the source where the donors were seeing tears rolling down on my face, and then I revealed to them and things moved on. And lots family thereafter came into the love of God and experience through this Lulu Bhai and others who came together at that moment. आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, इसके सारे पीछे एक छिपा हुआ गुण जो था, वो दूसरों को प्रभु के नजरों से देखना चाहता था. He knew how to look at others. That's why just before us, Badul came, was crying. Why? People will not look at you and love, but this person knew how to look at you and love. I tell Mana and Sona that you are such blessed person that you had my elder brother. Now, though I cannot fulfill their place, but his place, but I am sure I'll be there with you all the time. I'll be with your family and we all will be there. Dear ones will be there. Anytime a little call, we will be there with you. Moreover, This ignites us, each one of us, saying that learn to look at others in the eyes of the Lord. That makes difference. That makes difference. I learned it from him. I was in Bible college, 100 rupees pocket money. That's all. And one day I have received, I learned from him. And then I have received 100 rupees, money order has come. A big leader now in Assam, big leader. He translates his real from English to Assami from Dr. Satish Kumar's messages, the terms. And he came running, दादा 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 हमारे पास कोई पहनने के लिए पैंट नहीं है मेरा फट गया है और बहनों के सामने कैसे फटा पहन के जाऊं कॉलेज, मुझे एक पैंट चाहिए, दीजिए ना पैसा. I just brought this hand and gave it. It is recent. I do not know what will happen next month. Why did I learn? This is the person. If you have to love others, you have to sacrifice yourself, your comfort, your good zone, comforting zone. Then only you will be able to love others. This is the brother who taught me. I do not have him right now, but I am sure his spirit will continue to ignite me, that I will move on. The good works that you kept on explaining should not end here. It must ignite you to move on. And not only in him we find these two, that same nature we find in Mana, Sona and Jita Bhavi and in their family. Because he not only led a life that was not affecting others, but he ignited the family so much that these two daughters, what they are, because of the igniting spirit has gone into them. He used to get angry very much